So, today, it's literally the same day as we just did the dime. There's another Metra coming at 5:30 the other way, so you get to see the engine first. That's a little more dangerous if we go on the tracks, but, it's for the fun of it. So, remember to, like this video because we are doing something very dangerous, going on the tracks and putting this on the rails. So please remember to like and subscribe for more awesome videos that I have. And okay, so we are almost there. Well, we're not almost there. It's a little while, but this is exact same day, right, Shelly?
Same day.
Right, Shelly?
Really exciting. 2 in 1 day.
Yeah, great. Okay, let's go. We're going forward. We're turning on the street. Okay, so so we are gonna turn here. Go. What? What did that even say? Shelly, what does that even say?
I don't know what it said. It's crazy.
Congrats, Century? What the heck?
Go Century? I don't know.
That was weird. Okay. Anyways, light is red right now on the street.
Beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day. This is like literally the exact same video, except it's like double the time. Oh, and remember, we are doing something super dangerous. We could hurt ourselves really bad. So remember to like, please, and subscribe, because then you will help us to make more awesome Metra videos. So
don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home. Only if you're professionals like us. And Shelly's driving the car forward, and yeah. So why is that street name Payne?
I don't know.
What the heck? That's such a weird name for a street. Okay. Anyways, but so we're going to the Metra again in one day. We're gonna post these both closer to what's it called? I'm not sure. Closer to 6 maybe, 5 maybe. But it's 5 right now. Oh, there's a fire truck. Why is that fire truck doing? Why is there even somebody in the back of that fire truck? Why is there somebody in the back of that fire truck? The fire truck does not need to be out if there is even a person in the back. They can't, okay. Here we are at the Metra tracks. It is getting really freaky now. I'm not really sure if I can do this anymore. Okay, but we're gonna go on the other side. Hopefully no trains are about to come. And well, sorry for pointing the camera in weird angles. It's just behind a seat, so you kind of get it. If I'm gonna post another video tomorrow. I am having a video overflow. Oh, no, it's this one right here.
Sure.
Because the stairs are right there. Oh, no, the next one, because that's closer to the other side of the platform, and that's where we're gonna be putting the nickel. Thanks, Shelly, for driving me here again.
Yeah.
This is good.
That's really good.
This is getting good.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if I should go up in the ramp or if I should go up on the, stairs. You know what I mean. Oh my God, there's a pigeon. That pigeon is nice. It has blue, green on it. Okay, so we're gonna be parking. Okay, Shelly, we're gonna be parking right there.
Sounds good.
Okay. So, yeah. Okay. Handicap. Okay, right there. Closest spot to the other side.
Righty.
And now, Shelly, we are just gonna go under the bridge, and we'll update you when we're on the other side of the Metra tracks. Can you open the door, Shelly? Thank you, Shelly. Okay. So, Shelly, come on. Let's go, Shelly. Okay, I really feel freaked out. So, yeah, that's a nice purple tree. It's really good. We're gonna be going under the bridge and up the stairs on the other side. That's right, folks, the other side, okay? Today's world, I'm acting, what the heck? Sad. Anyways, we are right by everything else. There's a cool mural there. I am going to go this way, and then Shelly. So we're gonna be going under the bridge, right?
Yep.
And I never went in there before. I don't want to go in. Okay, wait, there's the same little pigeon. There's the same little pigeon. He's so cute. Fluffy. Hi, Fluffy. Okay, I'm gonna go up the stairs. Sorry if I'm shaking the tablet a lot. It's just how me supposed to run. Okay, I put it on the tracks there. I already put it on the tracks, Shelly. No trains coming this way. No trains coming this way. Already put it on the tracks. So, we, of course, will update you when the train is coming. And hopefully, remember to like, because we were doing something very dangerous here. Do not try this at your local train station, because diesel trains are very dangerous. And yeah, so this is a clip from a video that shows a car getting run over by a Metra. How did you think of that now? Anyways, that was crazy, wasn't it? So there's Metras over there, and I mean there's no Metras over there. No Metras over there. Okay, this side feels a little weird to me, Shelly, doesn't it?
It is weird. It is like 8 minutes till it comes.
It is? Really?
8 minutes.
8 minutes, good. I can't see it, but I mean that's of course the Davis curve, so I mean you can never see it. But both ways. So no that way. So we were just over there, and now we're on that side. So okay, let me show you where the there it is. There's the faithful nickel that's about to get crushed by a Metro train. Poor little nickel. I'm gonna go place it on the tracks more. Okay. So remember to do not try this at home. And if you saw the video, that's how tough it is against the car. So that's just a car. Okay, there's a dog barking. Thought that was a diesel horn for a minute. Okay. Okay, I'll update you when a train is coming. From now on, I will see you soon. Update. So I see a Metro train coming. So I already put the nickel on the rails. So when it will drive over the nickel, the nickel will be crushed. Well, not crushed. Well, you saw the last video. It'll be like a sandwich getting crushed by your hand or a hammer, you know? But, I mean, your hand is stronger than a hammer. I mean, your hand is, better for a sandwich than... Yeah, your hand is stronger. Anyways, but a train is coming. As you can see it, there's just somebody in the way on the yellow line. It's really annoying. Anyways, but, of course, this is Central Station. I like the name of it, too. And, the train is coming, and we are hopefully gonna see the train going over the nickel. Oh, no! Okay, so update you when it gets closer. Actually not. I'm just gonna be sitting on here with no hands, just sitting until the train comes. And yeah, I'm not gonna talk when the train comes until the nickel is done, so I can get a good POV point of view here. Yeah, wait, I can get a good POV here if I do this, and then yeah. Okay, that's good. So I have it POV'd against the wall, so that's gonna be nice. And I'm sitting right next to it, so the train is gonna come soon, and once the nickel is... Okay, I just want to show you for a quick minute the train. It's really close to the station, like you can almost see it. Oh yeah, this is awesome. Okay, here's the train coming. Now remember to like and subscribe, please. Nickel's gonna get crushed. That nickel's gonna get crushed by the train. Okay, I'm not gonna talk in 3, 2, 1. What the heck? That's a weird car. Oh, that diesel smells so good. Yeah, it smells great. Here we go. Okay. I hate that horrible screeching noise. And there we go. Bye-bye, Metra. Here we go. Let's see what it looks like flattened. Okay. I don't see it. Hopefully it's here still. Oh, this is the wrong place to be during this. Literally. I can't see it. Shelly, I can't see it.
Okay, let me get an extra set of eyes over here.
Really? Oh, you see it! You found it! What? It's so cool.
It's so
Whoa! It has tire marks on it. I mean, not tire marks. Wheel marks from the Metra. Totally. It's so awesome. So remember to like and subscribe for more videos that involve us getting really risky to where we almost might hurt ourselves, but remember to like and subscribe. Bye.